I love summer, but it's so hot. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So, while I love summer and summery things, it is too hot for a full face of makeup. It's supposed to be 105 degrees Fahrenheit with heat index, and I'm able to see that my hair is all funky right now, and that's fine, because you know what? It's not gonna be a good hair day. It's too damn humid for that. So, what I'm gonna do is show you what I do on days where it's 100 and some degrees outside. Oh my god, it's too hot for a full face of makeup. I'm just gonna sweat it off, so let's get to it. The very first thing I do lately is I'm doing my brows, and I go in with a pencil and then I go in with a tinted brow gel on top. So I'm gonna do that quickly. The first one I'm using is the Ulta dark brown brow pencil, because you know I have dark hair. And it's a good thing. See, I already have a really nice brow shape, so it makes it simple. But I want to do it's so itchy. I used two pencils. But one I got in BoxyCharm. This is the Winky Lux one. I like the spoolie on this. But this one here is more of a triangle, and so I like to help use that to fill in. And now that I'm getting white eyebrows, they're unruly, so I pluck them bitches. Now, then I brush it through. Now, in the instance where I have a little bit right there, I just use my finger and blend it out, so to speak, or use a little cotton round with some micellar water or other makeup remover. Ta-da! I have eyebrows. 2 of them. A lot of the times my problem is I have eyebrows, I just have one of them, because you know I really have eyebrow, so that's a concern. My brows are looking quite nice right now. I think I'm gonna go in with a clear, the e.l.f. clear. And what this is gonna do is just pretty much lock it into place. So this is the e.l.f. clear brow gel. It's like $3 and it's fine. It does the job, which is basically hold them bitches in place. A lot of a lot of profanity today. I'm just feeling the need. Okay, so the next thing I do, I tight line my upper lash line. I don't wear any other makeup. No big deal. This is the extent of my eye makeup, really. Yeah, I'm gonna do the other one off camera, but you've seen one tight line. You've probably seen them all, right? Okay, so I'm back. Next thing is not that exciting. I curled my eyelashes. This is a Tweezerman because they don't come in different brow shapes, but in the end, or eye shapes, you use what works for you. I have a Dollar Tree one that works just fine. You know what? We're gonna go in with the Dollar Tree one also, because more is more. My niece told me yesterday that my eyelashes were very straight. So next, just a waterproof mascara. I have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. plumping mascara basically. I picked it up because it was on like a special where at Ulta, where if you buy the wipes, you get two for $3 or something like that. And I was like, I need wipes. Not 2 for $3, like buy 2 get 1. Get your third free, buy 2 get 1. My niece also told me that I need to focus on getting pulling my lashes straight out instead of to the side. I didn't realize I did that. It's kind of the story of my life. I don't always use good form. So the next thing I do that I should have started out with, sunscreen. One thing I like to do is make sure, if I'm going to wear sunscreen, which honestly I don't always do it, I'm really bad about that, bring it down my neck. Simply because I don't want to look old. I already feel old, but I don't want to look it. So, okay, so guys, the last thing I do is wipe off my lip balm and throw on a lip gloss, because that is essentially it. This is the Infallible Lip Gloss. Pro Matte Lip Gloss in the color Statement Nude. It took me a while to read it because, you know, age. Jeez. Okay guys, so that is my holy crap it's hot look. So you guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, you know the drill. Bevol, every YouTube has asked you that, but really guys, if you have a YouTuber that you like, it is extremely helpful because it helps others find our content. It's really one of those things where, hey, you're helping us out, and it's free. And if you subscribe, well, that's even better, because when we see our sub numbers go up, we feel like we're doing something good.